Ever wondered why some families always seem to have money, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Imagine wealth as a cake. Some families have the recipe, others don't. Stick around, and you may just find the golden ticket to your family's financial freedom. So, how does one build this so-called generational wealth? It's simpler than you think. Let's break it down into 8 digestible steps. First off, we have creating a financial plan. Think of this as your money roadmap. You wouldn't embark on a cross-country trip without a map, would you? Same goes for your wealth journey. Next, consider hiring a financial advisor. Trust me, it's like having a personal trainer, but for your wallet. They help you flex those financial muscles and keep you from straying off path. Then comes budgeting. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Stay disciplined, keep track of your expenses, and watch your wealth grow. Fourth, always remember to build an emergency fund. It's like an umbrella for a rainy day. You never know when you might need it. Fifth, automate your savings and bill payments. It's like setting a trap for your money to fall right into your savings account. Sneaky, right? On to step 6, managing debt. It's like trimming off the fat from your finances. The less debt you have, the healthier your wealth. Next up is saving for retirement. Think of it as a gift to your future self. Who doesn't like gifts? Lastly, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them out and watch them hatch into a wealth of opportunities. With these 8 steps, you are well on your way to building a fortune that can last generations. Now you're armed with the knowledge, but knowledge without action is like a car without fuel. It's time to start your engine, apply these steps, and reap the rewards of generational wealth. Don't just dream about wealth, start building it. Your future generations will thank you. But wait, there's more! Hit that subscribe button and let's make wealth building a family tradition. See you in the next video.